Good day, investors. This is your number one able of Victoria, Vicrest Properties. A beautifully constructed 2-bedroom apartment. So, house for sale in Lekki Lagos, Nigeria. This is house for sale in Ikate Lekki Lagos, Nigeria. Are you looking for a 2-bedroom that you can buy for your personal use or for investment purpose? Like shortlets or putting it out for rent? This is a very good deal for you. It's a distress sale. Yeah, a distress sale. So it's what you don't need to miss out on. It's very affordable. So I'm going to show you around. So we came through the gate. There's the security post, the maintenance area. Here you have all your box for electricity. There's where you can put in your slot in your card for your electricity. You have the generator house. It's a service estate, a service apartment. So you can see you have parking lots, very beautiful interlocked or stamped floor compound. You can see that it's higher than the road that we came from. That's the road in the estate. So issue with flood, you have no issues with flood. We have up to like 3-floor building, so it's not too much crowded. It's not crowded, it's just portable. Yeah. So there is, you have your water where you have your treatment plants. For your water, you can see that you have a treatment plant. So you have clean water. You can see the floor. You can see that it's clean water. If it were to be brown water, you see the drum, everything brown. So you have very clean treated water here. So I'm going to show you, we have different means of entering. You can go through the staircase, like this one of the staircase, or you can use the lift, whichever one you want. So I'll be taking you to this unit. Is a distress sale. On a normal day, this apartment is supposed to be like 200 and something million, 200, between 200 to something, but this is very affordable. It's a distress sale. The owner wants money, that's why he's selling it. People are living there. You saw in the car park, you saw underneath the staircase, the car park, you saw cars there. So this one unit, so this is the lift. This is another flat, another staircase there. There you have 2 flats there. You have 2 flats. Yes, 2-bedroom, 2 there. You have staircase for this area, 2-bedroom here, 2 units here. So this is one of the units that is selling. We have 2 here. One is not furnished, which I'm showing you now, and one is furnished. So here is the balcony where you're coming from the market. You come through this place to your kitchen. That's why you have your small gates there demarcating your area, your balcony for your kitchen. Now I'm going to take you into this place. This is the one available for sale, of the unfurnished one. So here is the living room. So I'm going to show you the 360 angle of this living room, so you can see the size. So you can see it's spacious. Let me move again so you can see the angle very well. So you have window here for ventilation. That's the kitchen door. Okay. You have this beautiful POP design. Wow, this is beautiful. And the chandelier lights. That's the door. That's the balcony of this living room. So you have some space there, you can sit out. All right, at this time, let's check out the kitchen. Wow, this kitchen is sizable for two-bedroom apartments. It's a fitted kitchen, like you can see. We're going to see around. So you have that space for your pantry. So here you have your burner cooker, 5 burner, you heat extractor, you have your microwave, your oven, you have enough cabinet for storage, you have your sink, you have enough cabinet for storage here. So your microwave, your oven, you can see the size. Over here is the kitchen exit door. So you can come, when you're coming from the market, you can come through here. You know, I showed you behind the place here. So this is your space, your balcony for your kitchen right there. So this is a beautiful location you would love to miss out on. It's located right here in Ikate, around in a Legoshi area all the way. So you have close to Lekki Phase 1. This is the guest toilet. You are close to Lekki Phase 1, to Victoria Island, Ikoyi. This is the corridor of this two-bedroom apartment. So this is a good one. If you want to be in around Lekki Phase 1, you want to be close to Lekki Phase 1. This is a good one for you because Ikate is just before Lekki Phase 1. So this is one of the bedroom. Wow, it's well ventilated. It's spacious. So we're going to check out. You have your wardrobe here. This two-bedroom apartment that I'm showing you here is not furnished. It's selling for 130 million naira. We also have two-bedroom apartments in this same house that is fully furnished with furniture, beds, so many other things, with selling for 140 million naira. So proximity from there to Osakpa, London, Chevron, Orchid, Ikota, Victoria Garden City, VGC, Aja, Abramades and Songote do Awaya, the new Lagos Lekki, straight to the proposed international airport, to Lekki Seaport, Dangote Refinery, and the rest. So this is the balcony of this bedroom. This is the master's bedroom. So you can see the environment here. So let's move into the house, then check out the other bedroom. It's a suite, like we saw. So this is the second bedroom. You can see it's spacious as well. It has wardrobe that is over there. And guess how much it's selling for? It's selling for 130 million naira. Yes, you heard me right. 130 million naira. And in this location, we'll be looking at 200 million or more. But because this person wants money, that's why it's selling for 130 million. Like I said, it's a distress sale. So you see it's in suites also. So you have the toilet and bathroom inside. The same with the other one. So that's governor's consent. Take advantage of it. For more information for inspection, contact Victoria Viasi on the numbers on your screen. Vicrest Properties. Please like, comment, and share.